Collage, and I am super excited to tell you about what's in store for Black Friday and Cyber Monday here at Knit Collage, because the team and I have been working on this behind the scenes for a few weeks now, and we can't wait to bring it all to the light of day. So first up, we are going to do something we haven't done since 2019, which is put our yarns on sale. So this is crazy. We haven't done this in quite a long time. I guess that would be 3 years, 4 years. So we are going to offer a discount on our kits. So just our kits, and we won't be doing custom kits because we have so many kit options available, and we've worked so hard on these behind the scenes to really cover our bases color-wise. But we are going to do a sale on kits that's going to be site-wide. Now, to find out what the discount code is and how much, please sign up for our newsletter. I'm going to link that below. That is where you will get first look, first access to all of those yummy details. So that's happening, and we will have a bunch of new kit releases. So I'm going to walk you through those new kit releases right now, and we will have many of the kits that are already up on the site, the existing kits, available to you. The only one that we're going to take down is the one we just released last week, which is the Selena sweater. So that one won't be on sale because it's brand new, but the ones coming up now and the ones that are already up on the site will be. So, all right, let's hop to it. All right, first up, I want to show you the Wonderland sweater. So this is one we will be releasing for Black Friday, and it is one of the designs that was originally part of our fall make-along in 2022, so a year ago. It's by Laurel Gervitz, and it has this beautiful circular yoke. It's top down, knit in our Spun Cloud yarn. I especially love the juxtaposition of the checkerboard colorwork pattern with the flowers. I think that makes it super modern and fun. Definitely want to show you this on the model, not just me, because it looks way better on Gabrielle. You can also go ahead to Ravelry to see what this sweater looks like on some of our past participants from the make along last year. Another really fun detail about this pattern is the split hem. So of course you can do that, you don't have to do that, but it is a fun little detail. So along with this kit, well, you have three ways you can get involved in it. You can order the kit, and the kit will come with the yarn, the pattern, and the video course on how to make it from start to finish that I teach. So you can go for the kit that's going to have all three of those things. You could also just order the pattern, the standalone pattern, or just the online course, which will have the pattern included. And that's part of what we call Knit Collage University. So this is the Wonderland sweater. I absolutely adore it. I just love it so much, and I have been wearing it nonstop ever since I pulled it out of my storage locker about a week ago. So this is the Wonderland Cardi. Now let's hop on over to the Inner Beauty, and I'm going to try it on for you since that is one of my favorite things to do here on YouTube. And let's see. All right. The Inner Beauty Cardi is one I wish I had made a second time, because I have a vision of how I want this yoke to be. But I have yet to make my second one. I only have the first one I've made, which is this one. So this is the Inner Beauty cardigan. Oh my God. This is the first time I'm trying it on after it's been in storage. I love it so much. So this is worked top down, and it's color work, but the reverse side of the color work is out, which is why you see the floats on the outside. So this is sort of what it looks like on the inside. It's a really simple color work pattern. And some folks that made this as part of our make along last fall actually made it reversible, which you can do. It's totally up to you. So this has this really cool yoke where it's all about just playing with color and texture and getting wild and free with it. And then you move into this bubble stitch. So For me, this design is all about the contrast of that yoke with the bubble stitch. And then of course, I love the iridescent buttons on it for a touch of like just a techie vibe, a fun modern vibe that mixes really beautifully with the naturalness of the yarn. The yoke is a mini skein sampler kit, so you have this wonderful opportunity to play with all the yarns in the mini skein sampler kit. And then the body is our spun cloud yarn. So this is the Inner Beauty cardigan. We have lots of pretty combos available for you. And this one, yeah, this is the first time we are releasing it out into the world. It was part of the make along last year, but now it's free. It's going to be available in the same way the Wonderland was. Either the kit will have the class and the pattern and the yarn included, or just the pattern, or just the class, which will come with the pattern too. All right, so let's go to our next sweater kit. We have 4 total that we are releasing for this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Oh, and I should have mentioned that pattern is by Laurel Gerbitz as well. The next one I have is a pattern by Vanessa Reyes, and it is so stinking pretty. It is the Starfall crochet cardigan. It's so long on me, I can't even show you the whole body, but oh my God. I haven't put this on this fall yet either. I'm very excited to be wearing this right now. So this sweater is all crochet squares that we seam together, and then we pick up stitches and knit an edge along the front and neckline and cardi edges. So you have 2 options in this one, and I'm definitely going to show you the pictures on our model here because they look so beautiful. You can leave it like I have it without the fringe, or you can go all in and add the fringe to your sweater, and it's really up to you. I will tell you that when I was in Austin with the designer last winter, I think it was December actually. Yeah, no, I can't remember, but anyway, we were there together, and I had on the regular version like this, no fringe, and she had on the fringe version, and she's the one that got stopped every other blog like, oh my God, tell me about your sweater. So in hindsight, I'm feeling like I should probably have put fringe on that sweater. It's so cool. The blue version is really pretty. That one was made by the designer Laurel Gerbitz, who tested it. One is so gorgeous. I'll make sure I link to a picture of that below if I can find one. But yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Like, all the colors are so pretty. So for this one, you've got 3 options. Same as the other 2 styles. You can decide to do a kit with the video course and the pattern included, and those are all going to be a discount code that you can enter to get off. That's just for kits. Either the pattern, the standalone pattern, use your own yarn, use your stash, whatever, or the video course that's going to include the pattern also, where I teach you how to make this style from start to finish. And it's all crochet except that very last part where you pick up stitches and knit your edges. So those are the options for the Starfall, and it's long. It's pretty long, which I like. I'm feeling the longer sweaters. So this is the Starfall cardigan. We have one more kit we are going to release that I'm excited to show you. It is the Inner Beauty Shawl, and this matches the Inner Beauty cardigan that I just showed you before. Super, super, super pretty. So the Inner Beauty cardigan is a mix of the bubble stitch and the color work, just like we did in the Inner Beauty sweater. So I love this. It's really big and massive and just super cozy, has a wonderful drape to it, is a smaller project. You don't have to worry about fit with it. Kind of goes with everything. I love the little tassel fringe. So you'll use a mini skein sampler kit and then a skein of spun cloud. So not super big project, quick to finish, would make a great gift actually if folks are feeling that, and super pretty. So those are the 4 kits that we will have for you as part of all the fun for Black Friday, and those will be live Black Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. And we have that fun discount code that's coming to you in the newsletter. So sign up for the newsletter to have that code and make sure you use it. And then each of the kits that we get until we run out, so I think we'll see how long our supplies last, but each of the kits until we run out, and I think we have like around 200, is gonna get a little bundle, a little notions bundle of fun stuff. And the fun stuff is going to include this iridescent knit collage logo sticker, which is amazing. I have it, I have it right here on my water bottle, right next to my Yarn Lover sticker and others. We're also going to include a little label that you can add to any of your finished objects for a little touch to elevate it, especially gifts. It's really fun to add this. It just says handmade with love. And then a right side stitch marker and a darning needle. So you'll get 4 little fun things with your purchase. And that's for any purchase, kit or non-kit yarn related. It won't be for any digital products, so not for a pattern or a course. The little notions bag is only for yarn and kits, or if you order needles, something like that. So just any product that needs to ship out, we're gonna include one of those in there for you. So I think that's everything we have for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me below or send an email. I'll make sure to include the email address in the description here. And I am just super, super excited and hope to see some of these designs out in the wild. All right, have a fabulous day. Bye.